Hey guys, it's JT with Pool Warehouse, and I wanted to take a minute to introduce you to our Excel 1.5 horsepower pump and 22-inch top mount sand filter combination unit that has been specifically designed and engineered for your above ground swimming pool. This thing can filter 24,000 gallons of water in less than 8 hours, and with its durable polyethylene body construction, essentially non-corrosive, so it's going to give you years and years and years of operation for your above ground swimming pool. The 6-position multi-port valve located on the top of this thing is super easy to use. It's all spelled out for you on the top. This unit comes with a 1-year full warranty, so if you ever have any issues, all you have to do is call us here at Pool Warehouse and we'll get you all taken care of. Excel's pump and filter system has been perfectly engineered and designed to provide optimum flow rates, promoting the highest quality of water to your above ground swimming pool. I'm talking 24,000 gallons of water in an 8-hour period of time. The 6-position multi-port valve that's located on top of the sand filter is super quick and easy to use for backwashing, winterization, waste. While inside the tank, you're gonna find Excel's unique sand lateral system, providing even flow through the sand bed, ensuring maximum filtration. Go online to poolwarehouse.com or give us a call at 800-515-1747 to put Excel's advanced technology to work on your swimming pool this summer.